Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I am too, kind of. I'm very upset about the light outside and obviously the light in this video, so I still hope you're going to be able to see what I'm doing. In today's video I'm going to be making this absolutely gorgeous snowflake earring. I will put a picture on how it looks in the ear, but how pretty is that? And I will tell you one thing, it is so easy to make. Honestly, I am gonna go through all the items that I'm gonna use, and they are, I'm gonna have a mat, then I have Miyuki beads size 8/0, then I have jump ring. Obviously I'm gonna just make the second earring, but you would have 2 jump rings, and then I have that part that goes in the ear. Then I have beading needle, thread. I'm using this one. It is size 0.1 millimeter. Then I have some pliers, and then I have scissors, and everything that I use I will link in the description box. But I do want to say that you do not have to use these beads. You can use like crystals, you can use smaller beads, you can, and also you don't need to use the thread. You can also use fishing line. The reason I'm using thread is because the fishing line that you normally use, I don't have it anymore, and I have ordered it, but I didn't realize it's gonna take like 3 weeks to receive it. So I'm out of fishing line and I just had to figure out something else, so I'm gonna be using thread. And also I wanted to give you a little sneak peek what I'm working on for the next week's video, and it is, I haven't finished it, I'm still working on it, I'm still learning, but it is these little stars, and I was thinking I could make like a bracelet, or you can make a necklace. If you want to see this video, please subscribe, and I will see you next week for video with these little stars. We're gonna start beading, making this snowflake, and as I said, it's really easy to make. I will take 12 beads and put them on the thread or fishing line, whatever you use. You just need to make sure that the fishing line goes through the bead at least 3 times, I would say. This is how it looks. And now I am going to put on 3 beads like so. So my thread is coming out from here. I'm gonna skip 1 bead and put the needle through the next one. And it just creates this little triangle. And now I'm gonna put 3 beads on again, and then I'm gonna skip 1 bead and put the needle through the next one. Like so. And now I'm doing the same thing. I take 3 beads, skip 1 and put it through the next. And now I'm doing it again, and I'm just gonna do that until I go all around the circle. So I skip 1 and put it through the next. And I'm always like trying and pull the string really tight. Skip 1 and put it through the next. And now put 3 more beads, skip 1 and put it through the next. And I will pull the needle through all the way up to this triangle. Like so. And this is actually could be an earring as well if you want, or like a little snowflakes that you can put around your house. And now because we are here on the top, I'm gonna take 3 beads like so. So the thread is coming out from this side, but I'm gonna put the needle through the opposite side, like in a circle. Like so. And now I'm just gonna pull the needle through these 4 beads again. Like so. And I'm trying to pull the thread quite a bit just to make sure that it's like nice and like it stays in place. And now I need to get to the top here, so I'm gonna go through this bead here, then I'm gonna go through this bead here, and then the 2 on the triangle. Well, these 3 and together. Like so. And now we put 3 beads on again, and the thread's coming out from here, and I just put the needle the other way, like so. Put the needle through the beads again, like so. And now again I need to get here, so I'm gonna put through the bead here and the next one, and then to the 2 up. Like so. And I just do this around the whole snowflake. 3 beads on, put it through the bead, go through all the 4 beads again. Make sure you pull the thread if you're using thread. If you're using fishing line, I think the thicker it is, the less you would need to pull. And I'm just gonna do that until I have done it to all the triangles. Okay, so I just finished going around the snowflake, and I have come out from this bead here, as you would. And now I just want to get to this part of the thread, the one, you know, from the beginning. So I'm just putting through the couple of beads just to get right next to it, and then I can just tie it down. So now I just tie it, and I would do it like 3 times. And after that, I would suggest you put some super glue on the knot, because I have noticed that with the thread, it tends to sometimes untie itself. Yeah, if you work with thread, make sure you secure it properly. like so. The knot is somewhere in there. I will cut the ends off, and as I said, you can put some super glue on the knot just to make sure that it holds. Just don't glue your fingers, please. This is the snowflake, and now I just need to put the jump ring on. And the way I do it, I just take one, open it up, take one of these parts, put the jump ring on, take the earring part, put it on, close it, and this is it. Here are the most amazing, the cutest, and the easiest Christmas earrings you could ever make. Well, there's probably other ones, but I mean, this is pretty simple, isn't it? So as I said, I will put a picture in so you see how they look in the ear. You don't need to use the same beads, but I think they look absolutely gorgeous. And if you do make these earrings, let me know in the comment section how they worked out. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, the next week we're gonna be making this bracelet, and it's cute, and I'm very excited. So yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.